Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating basics so you don't chase phantom problems. Verify headphone power, wired jack seating, or Bluetooth pairing. Test on a phone to isolate the PC. Once done, open Windows settings, go to System then Sound, and make sure the output device is set to your headphones. If they don't appear, run the built-in troubleshooter from Update and Security. It detects driver conflicts and common misconfigurations, so you can get an immediate diagnosis before deeper fixes. Now you tackle drivers and services because missing or mismatched drivers are the usual culprit. Open Device Manager, find your audio device, right-click to update driver or uninstall, then scan for hardware changes to force reinstall. Make sure Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services are running. Restart them if needed. Also, disable audio enhancements in the sound properties and explicitly set your headphones as the default device and default communication device. Finish with advanced steps when standard fixes fail because system state or recent updates can break audio. If a driver update coincided with the problem, roll back the driver or download the exact OEM driver rather than generic ones. For Bluetooth, remove the device, turn the adapter off and on, then pair again to clear cached profiles. If issues persist, perform a clean boot or restore to a known working point to find conflicting apps. Key tip: if nothing works, test a USB audio adapter. It bypasses internal audio hardware and often resolves detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.